Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss update from Footprints.
Hello children, how are you? Welcome to Footprint. So today's activity's name is Make a Submarine, and this activity comes under KDI, Causes and Effect. As you know, Footprint follows HighScope Curriculum, so we have few key development indicators which helps us analyze our child's mental, physical and emotional growth. So to continue with the video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. To make water submarine, we need few materials. 1 liter bottle, of course a transparent bottle so that we can see inside, filled with water, a pen cap, little bit of clay and a paper clip. You can use paper clip, it's optional. I'm not using it right now. So we just need to place little bit of clay at the bottom of this cap. I'm going to fix it. And point to be noted, if your cap has hole on its tip, do not forget to cover its tip with little bit of clay. Fortunately, my cap doesn't have any hole. Okay, so I'm going to put this cap inside this bottle. Let's cross your fingers. Many times I've tried this experiment. Sometimes I succeed, sometimes I learn. So the cap is tight. I'm going to squeeze this bottle tight. Okay? A submarine is a water transport and it floats inside the water, not on the water floor, just like a ship.
Are you looking for the best preschool and daycare near you? Visit Footprints and explore the program suitable for your child. Find the program links in the description box.
Squeeze it hard, it will go down. Submarine is inside the water. Release, it will come up. Let me tell you the explanation behind this. Pen cap submarine floats when the bottle is squeezed because the water rushes to fill the hollow spaces of the pen cap, making it heavy. This makes the weight of the pen cap greater, which makes the pen cap sink. Hope you all like this activity. Do not forget to try it at home with different sizes of cap so that you can calculate how much clay do you need for different cap to make it sink and float. Now moving towards new vocabulary words. Our word wall. I find 3 new words from this activity. You can share your 3 new words in the comment section. So read them aloud with me. P-E-N pen, C-L-I-P clip, W-A-T-E-R water. So parents, kindly do not forget to write short notes, we call it anecdotes, about your child's observation, excitement, emotions, queries about the activity, how he feels during the activity. If you like this activity interesting, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more fun-filled videos. Keep watching. We'll be back with more videos. Thank you.